The following explains the installation tutorial for 15 Land Rover Discovery 5 upgraded 10-point to 5-inch screens. Unscrew. Take out the screen. Take out the driver's seat. Find the power cord adapter under the seat. Then restore the seat. Replacing the keypad. Plug in screen. Install the screen. After installing the decorative strips, the modification is completed.
已为您规划3个导航路线，您选择哪一个？
第一个。
准备出发。